Ever pondered over the intricate labyrinth that is implementing company operations? It's a complex beast, isn't it? The balancing act between orchestrating CRM systems, ensuring seamless communication, managing files, and supervising project management software can be an uphill battle. But fret not. There are tales of triumph to be told. Stories of companies navigating these choppy waters with grace and success. One such saga is of a company that found its North Star in the form of AlphaFam Management Consulting. This is no ordinary consulting firm, my friends. They are the wizards of the corporate world, turning the complex into the comprehensible, the chaotic into the coordinated. Our tale begins with the company in question, a budding business in a highly competitive market. They were struggling to keep their heads above water, grappling with the challenges of implementing company operations. Enter AlphaFam, the guiding light. AlphaFam's implementation manager, a seasoned veteran with a wealth of experience across diverse industries, took the reins. He assessed the situation, identified the pain points, and started weaving his magic. He revamped the CRM systems, streamlined communication, brought order to file management, and integrated an efficient project management software. The transformation was nothing short of spectacular. The once struggling company was now a well-oiled machine, operating seamlessly and efficiently. But how did this happen? It was AlphaFam's unique approach to problem-solving, understanding the business, identifying the challenges, and implementing tailored solutions. This is just one example of how AlphaFam can breathe life into your company operations. If you're wrestling with the challenges of implementing company operations, remember, there's always a solution. There's always AlphaFam. So why continue to navigate the stormy seas of company operations alone? Reach out to AlphaFam Management Consulting. Let their experienced team guide you through the complexities, transform your operations, and propel your business to new heights. Remember, in the corporate world, the right partner can make all the difference. It's your move. Reach out to AlphaFam today.